skeleton, and this is his real skin. So this is Rio, male saltwater crocodile, which was caught in Rio Tubalifer, Batarasa, and that is in the southern part of Palawan. He was purposely captured because he attacked and killed a native fisherman from the area. And it was confirmed that he swallowed only the right leg of the victim. Kinain niya yung kanang binti ng biktima. Only the right leg lang naman, at hindi naman po because everyone crocodiles can only consume 1 to 2% of their body weight. So yun lang yung pwede po nilang maikonsumo. But I just want to clarify, human is not part of crocodile's diet, but crocodiles accidentally attack and kill human in the wild because of territory, threat, and also crocodile. They cannot identify what is human and what is animals. So again, they're also victim of human and crocodile conflict. So, but everyone, we need to capture them once they attack and kill people in the wild, and that is for the safety. So this crocodile, almost 5 months lang, yung tinagal niya po dito sa captivity. After 5 months, he died because of stress and also because of internal bleeding. And this crocodile, 60 years old when he died, so for this skin, there's no commercial value anymore. So wala na po itong halaga. Because ideally, the one being used for making leather bags, shoes, wallets, belts, and other products are the skin of the young crocodiles, which is about 3 to 5 years old only. Everyone, if you can notice the skin of Rio, it is too hard and very dry for the machine to be processed. And then before, Rio, recognized by the sa biggest crocodile captured in the wild, nowadays Lolong holds the record. So if you remember Lolong po, or have you heard the story about Lolong, that crocodile recognized by the Guinness Book of World Record as the largest crocodile in captivity with 20.3 feet long, around 6 meters, while Rio, 17.6 feet, around 5 meters. So Lolong is almost 1 meter longer than Rio. But he's not from Palawan, he came from Agusan Marsh in Mindanao. He was captured in September 3, 2011, but last February 10, 2013, he also died, and then now he was displayed in National Museum in Manila. So dun po siya dinala at hindi po dito sa Palawan. Our next station, everyone, will be the hatching house, and there we will see 1 to 5 years old salt and freshwater crocodile. But for your safety, inside the plant area, please hands off. So do not put your hands and things inside the tanks of the baby crocodiles, even though they're still young, but they can jump, bite, and cut off your fingers. And also crocodiles have 66 sharp teeth. So please careful, okay? Everyone, you have a camera, cell phones, you can take pictures, but please kindly turn off your flash. And lastly, as we go to the fence of the big crocodiles, and there we will see almost same size